Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the green screen overlay in CapCut for PC. Alright, for instance, I'm going to select the main photo to the track, and I'm just going to add the overlay with the green screen. Just put on top another clip like so. Alright, how to remove the background? You are just going to cut out, select the chroma key and select color picker and select the green color and adjust for strings and then shadow until you get the perfect. Alright, you can resize and adjust body position. So alright, for another example, go to chroma key, like color picker. Alright, shadow, resize. Alright, you can also blend the overlay. Go to model plane, overlay. Yeah, it's super simple, and I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.